Online. Good morning. Lalu gi logol ba BSP anta pe. Lili kasol. Um logol ba BSP change because BSP now am no more owned by PNG government. You know more bank play me. BSP now am owned by foreigners. BSP now am owned by Samuel, Fiji, na Tongans or Taikons Bangol. Which is all got big plus say inside law BSP. So only buy more of BSP. All no buy more of nothing, all buy more of underneath or some like recent. William Duma, William Duma na James Marape, Yending Staki na James Marape, Yending Staki na James Marape, tubla borrowing big money lo external banks. Time tubla borrowing big money lo external banks, and work lo treasury department lo pay mo lo loans every month. So time tubla ko pani mo blarot ko, William Duma na James Marape, tubla isalim of BSP, MBILSS, Envil. Time to bless Salim, or foreigners or Baim, or Fijian or someone. Now chairman boss pro BSP, wambla chief pro Samoa, boss pro BSP. So BSP Bank once PNGBC bank premier Papua New Guinea fully 100% owned by PNG government. Wambla strong blame me too. But now by black and looking triple kundu blimi raus new bla logo kolongem is so clear picture na image kam blimi also you no more in PSP. That's the whole reason why PSP logo senis or raus triple kundu blimi na putting narba logo kolongem. So you bla looking how country blimi work logo country blimi corrupt you mix implanted loan to mas you may find him hard law repay mo loan ya law external banks then you may find him liquid cash also talk agent cash then agent cash you meet him yet assets blue me you go agent cash so it's very funny so we have lost our good and nice bank which is 100% owned by us PNG. I'm gone now so I'm the soul how logo blue me senis. Thank you. One love.